I think the tools that they give me to excel is, the company follows a lot of the Dave Ramsey principles. So we do a lot of trainings, entree leadership videos to help us, be better in the role that I'm in.
If you want to grow, if you believe in hard work and dedication, and if you believe in succeeding in this field, I strongly suggest applying and interviewing with Tri-Point. Everybody's probably seen this, where you roll out of bed and you're like, man, I'm not happy to get up and go to work. I don't have that with this company. I get up early, to work early to get my job done because I believe in our goals here. I believe in what I'm doing here. I believe in helping people here. I believe in the mission that we're trying to strive for, and the vision that we go with at Tri-Point. So that definitely is a big reason why I get up and get to work.
To be a quality technician and a decent technician, you need the drive to do it. You have to have the experience of dealing with people and being able to communicate with them, along with a willingness to learn new things and not thinking that you know it all. Nobody knows it all. I've been in the field for almost 30 years and I'm still learning things today. And there is no problem with asking questions to whoever you may ask. You will get an answer.
If you don't have teamwork, you're not going to get anything done. If you don't have teamwork, your company won't be strong. And this is the strongest company I've worked for.
Have to have the willingness to learn.
Yeah, that's right.
The culture is really great. It's an eye-opener. But here, everyone has a voice and everyone takes into consideration everything that you say. And everyone can bring ideas to the table. It doesn't matter if you are a tech, if you're a technician, or a leader in the company, or the owner of the company. Everybody can bring ideas, and some of those ideas are great, and sometimes we put them into place in the company to make everybody better. So I think the culture is amazing here. Having that drive to go out and face the job that is scheduled on you. Like, our service coordinators are communicating with the technician to make sure that they have everything on site. Our director, Cody, making sure that they have all of the tools that they need. And also to have a great attitude, because you are going and servicing our customers. So just having a great attitude, because you are going to be talking to our customers, and making sure that you are talking to the customer and explaining what you're doing. I think that's something that's really great for the technician to be successful.